Hello friends, this is Dr. Satyajit from Sun Homeo Clinic, Barchana, Jaspur, Odisha. In the pandemic situation like COVID-19, all medical systems are trying their best to find a solution. Homeopathy also proved its efficacy in this context. Many reputed homeopaths put forth their views on research products to get a best result. In my previous video, I have also discussed the role of homeopathy as a immune booster. Today, we will discuss the research product of homeopaths for the benefit of homeopathy followers. The important medicines for the treatment of COVID-19 are arsenic, bryonia, camphora and gelsemium. Now we will discuss about arsenic. The main symptoms of arsenic is anxiety, restlessness, prostration and the mental restlessness is very important. In arsenic, he is very restless mentally but physically too weak. Due to excessive anxiety and restlessness, he moves from one place to another. He lies now here and now there. He moves one room to another room. Besides this, during sickness, arsenic is very avarice, greedy and selfish. He bites his own tumbler. Tumbler means it is a glass or a cup which helps us to drink or feed. Bites tumbler means those persons who gives the best service to arsenic, he bites them. He harms them. So arsenic bites tumbler means he harms them who are give him best service. Arsenic is very fastidious and sensitive to his opinion. He fears suffering. He becomes very indifferent to recovery. He wants an immediate solution. He asks the doctor to give him immediate solution, immediate relief. He is carried desire fast. It is the case of arsenic. Now we will discuss about bryonia. The key symptoms of bryonia is aggravation from an emotion and amelioration from absolute rest, both physical and mental. He does not want to disturb in any condition except his business. He bargains between business and suffering. If he thinks his business is important, he will not visit the doctor. If he thinks his suffering is more, then he may visit the doctor. But he bargains between the two and wants the lesser evil, which gives him less discomfort. So he bargains. Now we will discuss about the nature of the bryonia. Like arsenic, he is very avarice but not greedy. In arsenic, the person is very avarice and greedy, but in bryonia, he is only avarice but not greedy. He has poor feeling. He thinks if he does not work, then he may face the starve. He may face the fear poverty. He may go to the state of poorness and he may face the state of poverty. To escape that situation, he performs his business. He wants to do his business at any cost. Unlike arsenic, he behaves his workers, his co-relatives, his attendants in a cool manner. He desires to go home and wants to remain there. His prime concern is health, wealth and business. Now we will discuss about gelsemium. The key symptoms of gelsemium is dullness, dizziness and drowsiness. It has many similar symptoms with bryonia. Like bryonia, he does not want to disturb. Motion aggravates. He desires rest. But there is an unlike feature, that is light desire for. The light desire means he wants a positive light. Positive light means he wants assurance from the doctor. The doctor would assure him that he will cure. He will get relief. That is the assurance, that is the positive light of gelsemium. He has fear of falling. There is an incoordination of muscles. Muscles refuse to obey the will when attention is turned away. That means there is incoordination of muscles. There is fear of falling. So he wants to move from one place to another with very cautiously. Due to poor and sluggish circulation of gelsemium, he faces powerlessness. There is very difficulty to move. He is powerless. And this powerlessness goes into state of torpor. So, we will discuss some important rubrics of gelsemium in connection with flu. That is, gelsemium is a good medicine for flu. When there is weakness, there is tremor and chilliness and headache. It is also considered as a prophylactic against common flu. The last medicine is camphor. The key word of camphor is profound prostration with cold sweat and coldness of whole body. This coldness is not always associated with cholera, vomiting or diarrhea, but it may associate with anxiety. There is excessive anxiety. Anxiety, apparition while awake, anguish from horrible. The apparition means a ghost-like appearance of a person. Horrible means a bad state or a unpleasant condition. Due to this anxiety, he goes into a fearful state. There is sleeplessness. He goes sleepless for nights and nights. So he thinks he is in hell. He wants to get out from the situation and desire to help. He seeks help. Seeking help for. He wants a close person to whom he can describe all his complaint. That may be a physician. He wants such a physician who will listen him coolly. He wants to be naked. He wants to describe all the symptoms to his doctor and wants to get a medicine. That is the case of camphor. Now we have discussed about arsenic, bryonia, gelsemium and camphor. These are the mental features, some general features. By this way, we can select a good medicine for the treatment of COVID-19. This is all about. Thank you.